Welcome everyone. I Professor Gaurav P. Barot, working as Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department from RNG Patel Institute of Technology, Bardoli. This video lecture is under the topic of two-point perspective drawing in building and town planning subject. Given object is consist of two parts having two different size. In a two-point perspective drawing, all lines of x-axis are vanished on VPL, same as all lines of y-axis are vanished on VPR, but all lines of z-axis are parallel to each other. Each point of object is marked with proper notation. These notations are very helpful to draw two-point perspective drawing. Draw object side elevation on horizontal line of ground line, same as plan on horizontal line of picture plane. In this two-point perspective drawing, object has an inclination of 45 degree to the picture plane. Provide proper notation to the bottom plane of object. Now, select station point from picture plane with the suitable distance. Drop down baseline 1 from picture plane to the ground line. Take bottom portion height reference of object to the baseline 1. Join point 15 and 37 from plan to the station point and draw rays up to the picture plane. Name these two points as a 1-5- and 3-7- on picture plane. Drop down vertical rays for the line 15 and 37 to the ground line. Mark eye level from ground line with suitable distance on a reference line of station point. From station point, draw two rays parallel to the object up to the picture plane and name these 2 points as a VPL- and VPR-. From this reference point, drop down rays up to eye level and name these 2 points as a vanishing point left known as a VPL and vanishing point right known as a VPR. To draw bottom portion of object, join vertical height references to the VPL and VPR. Join point 2 and 1. Same way, join point 2 and 3. Connect point 6 and 5. Same way, connect point 6 and 7. Draw vertical line 1, 5. Draw line 2, 6. Connect vertical point 3 and 7. To draw central portion of object, join point 9, 10 and 11 from plan to the station point and draw rays up to picture plane. Name these reference points as a 9-, 10- and 11-. With respect to these reference points, drop down vertical rays up to ground line. Extend line 9-10 in a plan up to picture plane. Vertically drop down baseline 2 on ground line. Extend reference height of point 9, 10, 11 and 12 up to the baseline 2. Draw rays from new extend reference height on baseline 2 to the VPL. Draw line 10, 9. Draw ray from point 10 to VPR. Join point 10 and 11. Join point number 13, 14, 15 and 16 in a plan to the station point up to the picture plane. Name this point as the 13 dash, 14 dash and 15 dash. With respect to these reference points, drop down vertical rays up to ground line. Extend line 13, 14 to the picture plane. Drop down baseline 3 on ground line. Extend height reference of point 13, 14, 15 and 16 to the baseline 3. From this reference height on baseline 3, draw ray to connect VPL. Draw line 14, 13. Draw ray from point 14 to VPR. Connect point 14 and 15. To complete top surface of object, draw rays from point number 13 and 15 to the respective vanishing point. Draw line 13, 16 and 15, 16. Draw line 19, 13. Connect point 10, 14. Draw line 11, 15. To complete bottom portion of object, connect point 5 and point 7 with respective vanishing point. Draw lines from point 5 and 7 to complete bottom portion of object. Here we complete 2-point perspective drawing of given object. Thank you.